Well, how's it going?
Good. Life Fest is hot, but I am preparing to go on the first kayak journey. Wish me well.
How you doing, Cam? All right, the adventure continues. Quick interview. How's it going?
It is very hard, and I am not the best at this direction.
Well, I noticed you got out. You were kind of going in circles, so you figured it out, kind of, right?
Yeah, well, that person seems to be having an issue right now.
Yeah, there you go. You have to back up and then go forward. There you go. Right on.
You want a hunter?
Cool.
Hey, look, I did it!
Cool, you're the girl. Very proud of you.
Thank you. Wait, pedal wrong way.
Okay, you're by the bridge.
Okay.
Thank you.
Over there.
Almost.
Sideways and forward and backward. Right. That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Woohoo!
Cam. Cam.
Hungry? There's termites.
Yes, I was looking for some termites. I was right there. Yeah, kind of.
Andy, they got to sample some termites.
I'll let him know.
They will see when they come.
Huh?
They will see.
It was pretty challenging, to say the least, and I wasn't very good at the beginning, but then I improved, and then I would get bad again, and then I would improve again, and it was kind of like that the whole way.
What happened to your arms?
I got caught in some bushes.
That hurt?
Yeah, it hurts right now. And this hurts somehow, I don't know why. Like something stung it or something.